Work hard, grind on my dolo. Button up like a fly polo. Wave niggas like Jet Moto. I can lead niggas wanna follow. I ain't sleeping, you can get a hollow. Jack D, drink the whole bottle. Definition of a role model. Full speed, nigga, hit the throttle. Flow ancient like Aristotle. You broke, ain't my damn problem. See the bag, wouldn't see them, got him. Grind it out with nobody. Somebody got no hobby. Ricky Bobby lap everybody. Hesitation, I don't play it properly. Payday, I don't need Friday. No Usher, yeah, I did it my way. Run your lane off the damn highway. Beat whacking your flow shot it. Who was there when I was in the gym? Nobody. Who to help me get a bag, nigga? Nobody. Who didn't care when I was on my own? Nobody. Who ain't answer? I was on the phone. Nobody. Who was there when I was in the gym? Nigga. Nobody. Who to help me get a bag, nigga? Nobody. Who didn't care when I was on my own? Nigga. Nobody.
You know, I like to make my introduction all loud and annoying. I think I'm gonna go back to my old character. A tad bit vulgar still, but I just think I feel comfortable when I'm being me. Let's get this effing thing on the road, because YouTube, you know how they do with the cussing. But I can say F this and F that and nobody can say nothing. So, I'm a little irked because I had my jack, right? Put this in perspective. Let's put this in camera. This guy right here, F the box for a second. We'll get to the open box content in a second, but here my goddamn riffraff and shit. So, can I say the S word anymore? Whatever. The issue is with my jack, I bought this probably like 5 years ago. 4 or 5 years ago. I don't know why I'm talking loud. I guess because I'm from a distance. The issue is, my bro broke the jack. I'm just gonna, bro, if you watching this, bro, I love you, bro, but I'm gonna speak my piece. You broke my jack. I ain't complain about it to you, cause that's how much love I got for you. I went out and got another one. Thumbs up, we all good. I'm just saying, know what you did, bro. You was the last one to use my jack, and I used that thing for years, and I had 0 issues until you used it. So whatever you did, I don't know if you over tighten it or over tighten it by trying to loosen it to go the reverse way. Fluid leaked out, and how it leaked out don't seem like it was a simple task or whatever. I'll probably show pictures in a second. So that's like, I don't want to flip it upside down, but there's a valve underneath where there's like the swivel joint. If you follow that shaft down, that screws into look like the hydraulic portion itself, or at least where the fluid rests at. That part is leaking, and I try to get it to go back in. For some reason, it seemed to be sheared off, and I know it don't shear off by itself in that spot. So we're not gonna say nothing. We bought another jack. Let's get this out the way. I'm not repairing this. Maybe I could. Is it worth it? No, not at all. When you're dealing with stuff like this and safety wise, and this is just my best recommendation, you got any problems with this and things that just too much to fix, put it away. Go get another one. Why? Because your safety is key. Always spend money on your safety. So that's why we went and got a another box. And I probably try to do this video in one take, so that way I'm not up and down and trying to like edit the video, because I really don't want to just be editing too much. So we'll keep it down. Actually, I think I should just do another clip so the file not too large. It's nothing special about the box. And some of y'all, when y'all be doing your reviews, and I'm not trying to start nothing in the auto community, but y'all be getting a little weird and stuff. It's 2025. Open the product, use the product. And this is what I'm finna do. Only thing I'm doing is opening the product and maybe talking about it for a second, but y'all gonna be seeing me using this in my videos all the time. Just like you saw the red one. We gonna do this one. I'm not really getting to this. I hate this section right here, this little cushion pad. Why y'all do this to be fancy? Did you see my old one with one? Let me take this off, I'm sorry. Did you see my old pole? Did you see it with a cushion? No. Why? Because they rip off. So let's put that off to the side. I don't even need to be like gentle with it. Why? Because it's going to rip off and get scratched up anyway. They make it shiny. It's going to get messed up. I give it 2 days. Instructions, all that good stuff. Make sure y'all follow that. What it's saying, follow these instructions or whatever. Remove the, okay. Apply pressure, okay. I guess it's something that's already in between the, I don't know, they're trying me to do something or whatever. Clockways. Follow your instructions. There's like an instruction thingy-majig on there. Make sure y'all follow that S. And let's get this out of here. This jack is heavy. It's infamous for being heavy. I don't like the slim ones. I never, ever like the slim ones. Why? Because I'm me. You can like whatever you want. In fact, I hate the low profile jack. Why? Because it looks stupid and I seen them, they all bent. So I don't like it. Next we're gonna figure out, see if we can get up in here. What do we got? They want me to do something. They seem to have a little buddy in here. So looks like I need to get the rod in here. Pause, no diddy. Ew, that was a little suspect too. I'd have messed up the view sitting like that. That was definitely some homo-esque. Let me loosen up this screw real quick. What the hell y'all give me empty Ziploc bag for? It ain't nothing in it. They just be doing stupid stuff. So, let's get this. I guess you need to apply pressure down. You get this little thing that they made out of a 3D printer. Oh, we release the pressure. Alright, let's tighten them up. Come on. First of all, I need to grab some pliers. Why? Because I was supposed to, the bolt was not properly dropped in the slot. And another thing with this jack is I never liked it, the bolt, if y'all move over, F word. This bolt is infamous. Do not never tighten it. Why? You won't be able to get your pole out unless you never want your pole to come out. But I always want the pole to come out. Pause. But what I'm saying is I want it whereas I can always turn with my fingers. That's just how I like it. That's, you know what I'm saying? So I might need to wear this groove down a couple times. Why? Because we'll get that full turning motion without no problem. Yeah. So let's lock it down. Are we locked down? What's going on? All right, we're tight. That's what I think he did. I think you just over tighten it. So, pump. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think that's justice. Let it drop on its own. We ready for service. So, ain't nothing else to talk about in this goddamn video. Y'all probably see me tomorrow in another video. Car stuff, of course. I am Leekautorepair. You got any questions, complaints? You just want to run your mouth? You just want to be noticed? Holla at me. Do the comment section and y'all get with me on Instagram too. I'll holla at y'all.